In this video we'll build a Qlik automation that generates an HTML report using Qlik reporting and sends it as an email attachment. First, go to Automations and select Create New Automation. Give your automation a name and choose the space where it should be stored. Next, open the Qlik reporting connector and drag the Get HTML report block into the canvas. This block will generate the HTML file. In the Inputs tab, enter the app ID of the app that contains your report template and the template ID of the reporting template you want to use. Now switch to the Microsoft Outlook 365 connector. Drag the Send Mail with Attachment block and connect it to the previous step. In the Inputs tab, add the email address you want to send the report to. You can optionally add CC or BCC recipients. Add your email subject and write the message body for the email. Under Attachments, select the HTML report output from the Get HTML report block. In the Connection tab, connect to your Microsoft Outlook 365 using an existing connection or creating a new one. When everything is configured, click Run to execute the automation. Once the run completes successfully, the recipient will receive the email with the HTML report attached. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.